Hi everyone, here I am with some tips on hand washing and staying safe during the coronavirus crisis. This is a registered nurse in the city of Philadelphia here talking to you. I just wanted to talk to you about the number one way to prevent infection, which is hand washing. The CDC recommends right now that you wash your hands with soap and water. Hand sanitizer is fine, but if you have soap and water, it is better. You wash your hands. As I learned in nursing school, you lather up and you rinse. You lather up rather, and you go for 30 seconds by singing the Happy Birthday song 2 times. And then when you're done, you rinse your hands like so. And then with a clean, dry paper towel, you dry your hands, right? And you dry. And then once you are done drying, then you will take a new paper towel and close the faucet that way with the dry paper towel. Now, the other thing, hand sanitizer works, but it only kills some of the germs. It doesn't work as well as soap, which the germs slide off your hands when you use soap. The CDC is also recommending that you clean common surface areas that people use. So you want to clean your countertops, for instance, maybe the table, the dining room table. Also, you want to clean the hand of the faucet, the handle of the faucet, because when you come from the bathroom or when you come from outside, you wash your hands, right? So also doorknobs, which are commonly used by everybody in the household. So the CDC is just saying make sure you clean these surface areas to make sure that you help mitigate or contain the spread of this virus. The coronavirus enters your body through your eyes, nose, mouth. So the CDC is recommending that you do not touch your face to limit your chances of getting it into your body. If someone in your household does get sick, the CDC says that if possible, you should try to isolate them in their own room. That way, they themselves are not going to spread it to the rest of the house. The CDC says that your windows should be cracked open to allow for ventilation into the household, because otherwise the virus might find a way to sort of incubate in the house. So keep your sick people separate from you, maintain some distance from the sick so that you don't get it. Now is not a good time to be sharing food with people. If you do want to give somebody a gift of food, maybe you want to give them an apple or a banana, something that is not open, and of course wash those fruits and all those things so that you do not get infected. And do not panic. Just call your doctor's office, call the emergency department before you go in to ask for some recommendations about what they think you should do if you believe you have any respiratory symptoms such as shortness of breath, and if some people in your household are getting sick. So do not panic. We can get through this together. My name is Chad Newton, a registered nurse in Philadelphia.